Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with Veryfit. First, download the Veryfit app from your phone's app store. Make sure your smartwatch is fully charged and close to your smartphone. Also, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone, as this is essential for the connection process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Once the app is installed, open it and either log in or create a new account. Navigate to the Device section within the app, then tap on Add Device. The app will then search for nearby smartwatches. From the displayed list, carefully select your specific smartwatch model to initiate the pairing process. After selecting your device, a pairing request will appear on your smartwatch screen. Confirm this request to finalize the connection. The app will then prompt you to grant essential permissions for data synchronization, such as access to health data. Once confirmed, your smartwatch and Veryfit app will begin to synchronize data automatically. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your smartphone and your smartwatch. Always ensure your Veryfit app and smartwatch firmware are updated to their latest versions. For optimal performance, keep your smartwatch within a few feet of your phone, ideally within 10 feet, to maintain a stable Bluetooth connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.